If your home feels manageable at the beginning of the week, but chaotic by Friday, you don't need a new organizing method. You need a reset rhythm. Small homes don't require big overhauls. They require protection. Today I'm going to show you how to create 5-minute reset systems that prevent buildup without exhausting you. Because consistency isn't about intensity, it's about design. In larger homes, clutter can hide. In small homes, it can't. Few items on a counter feels like a lot. One chair holding clothes changes the entire room. That's not failure, that's scale. So the solution isn't longer cleaning sessions, it's quicker interruption. And for interruption to work, your space needs built-in reset points. Every main room needs one controlled surface. Not 10, one. A slim console with drawers, a narrow cabinet, a multifunctional sideboard. Why? Because loose items will collect somewhere. If you don't define the landing zone, it becomes random. When you define it, reset becomes simple. Everything on this surface either goes back to its zone, goes inside the cabinet, or leaves the room. 5 minutes and it's done. Furniture with concealed storage makes this sustainable because visual calm returns instantly. Your reset system must match your lowest energy level. That's the rule. If your 5-minute reset requires complex sorting, refolding, deep stacking, rearranging containers, it won't last. Instead, use shallow drawers, use trays inside cabinets, use divided sections that don't require precision. Multifunctional furniture reduces steps. Open, place, close. That's it. Low friction equals repeatable behavior. In week 1, we strengthened structure. Week 2, we contained the entrance. And week 3, we designed warmth. This week protects all of it because no system survives without maintenance. But maintenance doesn't need to be dramatic. It needs to be predictable. When reset becomes a 5-minute habit tied to after dinner, before bed, or before leaving the house, it stops feeling like cleaning and it starts feeling like stabilizing. And stable spaces feel calm. You don't need motivation to reset. You need a defined place for things to return to. When your furniture supports containment and your surfaces are intentional, reset becomes mechanical, not emotional, and that's the shift from overwhelm to capability. This month wasn't about starting over. It was about refining how your space works. You already had what you needed. Now you have structure, containment, warmth, protection. That's how systems stick. Not because you try harder, but because your home finally supports you back. See you next week. Bye-bye.